spotter, liner, dagger, sword, angular, rigger, fan, sponge. Hello and welcome to the video on different type of painting brushes available for beginner artists. First, let's check its different brush part. Our humble brush has a toe, a heel, and the center part of a brush is known as belly. There are bristles. Bristles are attached to the handle of a brush with the help of ferrule. Let's start with the most commonly used brush, the flat brush. Flat brush are mainly the long brush and the short brush. It is long and short not because of handle but by the length of the bristles. Flat brush is the most versatile brush used for making bold strokes and creating smooth even coverage. The shorter one will give more control, so it is good for adding details. Another type of brush is the filbert brush. This brush has a flat oval shaped tip which makes it great for blending and creating soft edges. It can be used to create fine lines similar to round brushes but with a softer, more delicate touch. The fan brush is another type of brush that can create a wide range of effects. It has a flat fan-shaped tip that is great for creating textures and blending colors. It's commonly used in oil painting but can be also used in acrylic and watercolors. It is very effective in making dab mark for grasses, foliage, fur, waves, clouds. The angled brush is a great brush for creating precise lines and angles. It has a slanted tip that makes it ideal for painting corners and edges. A brush where hairs have been cut at an angle. It can produce both thick and thin marks, so you don't need to change the brush again and again while making a big painting. Dagger brush. It has a long hairs with a triangular shape. The ferrule is flat like a flat brush. The head is very pointed. They can be used for thin lines and teardrop shape and can be loaded with multiple colors. Then we have the most commonly used, the round brush. This brush has a pointed tip and a round full belly. Another type of round brush are mop brushes. This brush has a large round belly and a pointed tip, which makes it great for creating washes and blending color. It can hold lot of fluid paint. So it is commonly used in watercolor painting and is great for creating soft flowing lines and washes. And lastly, we have rigger brushes. These are the round brushes with long hairs. The longer hair allows the hand to hold the brushes nearer to the surface, so better control and less hand shake. So it is very good for fine details. Many a time artists use it to sign their name. Each brush has a unique shape and purpose, and understanding how to use them can help you create a wide range of effects in your paintings. We hope this video has been helpful. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.